Heading out on our own with our hope in the clouds, and we're starting to see that we're onto something. Feel it coming, we'll keep running, nothing in our way, and we got no reason to wait. Let the journey take you where it wants to. We'll continue to find our way through anything we face. We got what it takes. Here we go. All we need is an open road and a chance to see a never-ending world that's beautiful. Here we go, with the sunlight on our skin. It's a brand new day, it's ours to take, and we will let it in. This is where the adventure begins. Every step, writing stories that seek to be read, taking hold of the moment as we discover every color filled with wonder. Now we finally see we got everything we need. Here we go. All we need is an open road and a chance to see a never-ending world that's beautiful. Here we go, with the sunlight on our skin. It's a brand new day, it's ours to take, and we will let it in. This is where the adventure begins. Here we go. Here we go. Heading out on our own with our hope in the clouds. We're starting to see that we're onto something. Feel it coming now. Here we go. All we need is an open road and a chance to see a never-ending world that's beautiful. Here we go, with the sunlight on our skin. It's a brand new day, it's ours to take, and we will let it in. This is where the adventure begins.
Here we go! fun, camping is fun if you say it enough. Camping is fun, C-A-M-P-I-N-G, camping. Well, the skeeters are fighting and the kids are biting. It's perfect weather with rain and lightning. The porridge is slopped, the flapjacks flopped. I'm telling dad jokes and I can't stop. Everybody's tired and then they're wired. Whoever burnt the marshmallows getting fired. The outhouse broke, thought it was a joke, but then I ran out of toilet paper out in the woods. So I used some poison oak. Camping is fun, camping is fun. If you say it enough, camping is fun. Well, looking for sticks, I found some ticks, and I ate a worm with my trail mix. Falling in the air, sapping our hair, leeches down in our underwear. I fell off a tree, I broke my knee, and that grizzly bear doesn't like me. Who's to blame? The tent's in flames, and the kids are in the van playing video games. Camping is fun, camping is fun. If you say it enough, camping is fun. Oh, we couldn't find the lake, I got bit by a snake. My back and my brain and my butt ache. Horses neigh, sunburn, yay. I used 5 cans of bug spray. The coffee froze, I can't feel my toes, and a spider crawled up into my nose. Food got charred and the ground's too hard, and you know, maybe next time we'll just camp in the backyard. Camping is fun, camping is fun. If you say it enough, camping is fun. C-A-M-P-I-N-G, camping. All together now, C-A-M-P-I-N-G, camping. Camping is fun, camping is fun. If you say it enough, heck, camping is fun. C-A-M-P-I-N-apostrophe, camping. C-A-M-P-I-N-G, camping. I'm wondering if you'd go wandering with me through the wilderness and woods to where the winds are blowing free, through the darkness of the night, heading toward the morning light. I wonder if you'd wander with me, and I'll spread the word and you beat the drum. We'll round up the troops and get the gang to come, and we'll leave the streets and these neighborhoods, head over the river and through the woods. You're wondering if I go wandering with you, what kind of trouble we'll get ourselves into. Would it be wrong to tag along with a band of vagabonds? You wonder if I'd wander with you. So I'll spread the word and you beat the drum. We'll round up the troops and get the gang to come, and we'll leave the streets and these neighborhoods, head over the river and through the woods. I'm wondering if you'd come wandering my way, if you ever get lost or if the trail leads you astray. The music of the pack can always bring you back. I wonder, can we wander away? And I'll spread the word and you beat the drum. We'll round up the troops and get the gang to come, and we'll leave the streets and these neighborhoods, head over the river and through the woods.
Sometimes you get a little bit frightened, afraid of the wind and the lightning. Sometimes you get a little bit insecure. Sometimes you wonder if you're even good enough, hiding from the morning when it's too much. But there's so much waiting behind the door. And I know, and I know, and I know that you just wanna dance in the light. Don't you know, don't you know, don't you know you're alive? So just let your horses run to the limit like never before. Let's be lost and young. I wanna show you what your heart is made for. Let your horses run, 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 run. Let your horses run, 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 run. I saw you on the street just the other day. You look so pretty when you smile that way. So open up the door, let your heart escape. 'Cause I know, and I know, and I know that you just wanna dance in the light. Don't you know, don't you know, don't you know you're alive? So just let your horses run to the limit like never before. Let's be lost and young. I wanna show you what your heart is made for. Let your
This land is your land. This land is my land. From California to the New York Island. From the redwood forest to the Gulf Stream waters. This land was made for you and me. As I was walking that ribbon of highway, I saw above me that endless skyway. I saw below me that golden valley. This land was made for you and me. I've roamed and rambled, I've followed my footsteps to the sparkling sands of her diamond deserts. And all around me a voice was sounding. This land was made for you and me. This land is your land. This land is my land.